just fueled up and we're about to head to the track right now.
Trying to get some B-roll. Where the fuck are you going?
You ready to get down?
Yes, sir.
Good. You'll be ready.
Let's see how many times I spin out.
That's normally how it goes. All good. Why would you do this, bro? Where are the fat bitches gonna sit?
Hot bitches need to go home.
Dude, you'll get canceled for saying that.
I know that, but damn.
I'm about to say.
How close is it?
Nah, you're fine.
It'll be fine.
So did you turn it the other way?
No. I heard it hit over there.
You hit something. Oh, that's your car. Yeah, see, you hit the fender. Nah, you're good.
Is it not good?
You're not good. Here, come look. Yeah, you can just hammer that shit. You got a sledgehammer?
I think I got a framing hammer.
I got a pretty big hammer. And your whole fender, though.
Good.
Your whole fender, yeah.
I'm sure it's gonna break. Look at the angle on that.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks good.
You got to.
I like how much you can see in there.
It's mostly hitting this right here.
I'm not gonna be able to swing in there.
Yeah. You need to take the wheel off and see if you can fold that shit, yeah.
Ow! That's sharp!
What do you think about Chisel?
Right now we're gonna go for a ride in the Hachiroku Toyota 86.
Ditch boys, more like hood boys.